Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can remove your taillight and your boot light on your BL Mazda 3 hatchback. Alright, to start off we're going to have some hardware behind here, behind the light we need to take out. So we're going to go in here, we have 1, 2, 3 we need to take out. We also need to remove our electrical connectors. Once we take that out we can take the light out. Connectors out here, or you can just leave them in and then when you pull the light out you can disconnect them from the light. So once all the hardware's done, you just want to jiggle this forward and back a bit, just to release anything built up. I find the easiest way, grab from below and above, just slightly pull forward. So it's caught on this tab here, this locating clip. Unfortunately, not really any easy way, it is kind of ledged in there. So yeah, that's off. So repeat on this side, wiggle it out so it gets off the seal and just push it forward. Right, now to remove your tailgate garnish lights, I'm going to take a screwdriver or a clip remover, take off this trim here. And that's it. They have two of these brackets that just go and sit up and they push against the tailgate. So you want to take out both the 10 mils. Then you want to go from the outer, be very careful, slowly peel it away. Just ever so slightly. Once you're far enough, you can eventually get them to clip out. And that's it. Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can remove your taillight and your boot light on your BL Mazda 3 hatchback. Just to make it easier, I've actually removed the trim so you can actually see this clip. Push in from here and pull out, and that's it. You can now take your light out. But the only recommendation I can give you for reinstalling your lights, so this is the way the light faces on the car. At the bottom is this big tab. At the top is this smaller tab. You want to align the sides of the light, the locating pieces, 1 and 2 first. And then while it's angling just a bit up, slide this in and get this one started. Then put it back in place, put the other one in, and then tighten this one first and tighten this one. Show you, so you got these 2 tabs located in. So the light will still move up a little bit. This is when you want to try and get the back of this and slide this one all the way up. Just fiddle around it until you get it in place. Once it's in, it pretty much will sit back on itself and the light can't come out. So just like that. Now you can tighten it up, put your other one on, tighten them both up, put your clip back in, make sure your other piece is clipped in as well, and you're done. Have it. All 4 lights are removed. Now you can go and tin your lights, change your lights to aftermarket, whatever your plan is, and you're done. Have a great day.